It is the best bowl I've ever made. You gotta try it. Full of protein, antioxidants, and good stuff. The only things I had to cook that made the huge difference were these chickpeas. Sprinkled it with cumin, garlic, and onion and salt. That made the dish. And then this is my crispy tofu, which all you do is you cut up the tofu super firm, sprinkle it with some coconut aminos, air fry it on the vegetable setting, and it's done. You can always buy bagged rice, but I cooked this in a rice cooker, so it made about 6 servings for us because we don't use a ton of it. Secret to the vegetables is buy them already cut up and prepared. So I got shredded red cabbage, I got shredded carrots, and then I had beets. All I did was slice them, but they came already prepared, and edamame that was already good to go. Put it in a bowl, some toppings. These are actually really delicious. I can't do cheese. Avocado, and then top it with tahini. Just a little bit of tahini and a little bit of coconut aminos. You have the most delicious, hearty, nutritious, and refreshing all in one bowl.